y'all. So I just got a package. I don't know, I got a letter from Sally's. So this says extremely urgent. So I'm trying to figure out what this is about. Why is my camera about to die? Oh, y'all, Sally sent me a $25 treat for yourself and someone on your list this holiday. We want you to know how we are getting ready for the holiday and what we are gifting. We know the viral Lux 4-in-1 and the Bond Bar, everybody's top favorite list for this year. This happy holidays to Sally Beauty team. Y'all, they sent me a whole gift card. Thank you, Sally Beauty. Oh, girl, because I was like, what? Sally done sent me a package? Yes, girl. So we're going to go to Sally's. We can go to Sally's tomorrow and see what holiday season all they got. That was really sweet. And then also the baby soap came. I'm so excited about this soap, y'all. I just pray because it's all natural and it's for organic and doesn't have any harsh ingredients in it. I'm so happy. But that's so sweet. I didn't know they did that. Yeah. Do y'all see it? It's the Nutella and it's the newborn set, girl. I got the whole 3-piece set. Did somebody open this? I will fight them if they open my baby stuff. Because why it look like this? Okay, y'all. As I was saying, I was like, I hope nobody opened it because look, why it look like that? But it's a whole set. Oh, I'm so excited. I really wanted it. I don't know why. I really did want this soap set. This was on my registry, girl. Because I wanted him to try it out. Because I heard so many good things. How you get it out the box? This is not a designer bag. Okay. Oh, girl. 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 See what I'm talking about? This is nonsense. Oh. Maybe. But it looks like this. This is soap set. You have the mousse. It comes with the shampoo and mousse, the cleansing water, the gentle hair and body wash, and the lotion, and diaper rash cream. So I'm super excited about that.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone with so late, I'm just saying. Fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, can go to fight. Getting the white side, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know what you're saying. I tried to fight, but it don't throw no curves.
Girl, I put on this sweater, but I think this is a bad idea. I'm already sweating. But y'all, we got mail. Hold on. We got mail. One of my partner's friends got the baby something. Let me see what they got. And y'all, I think I'm having contractions. Like this time for real. Like this before I thought it was contractions, but baby, I think this is real contractions. Oh shoot. Congratulations from Amber. Aww. Let me see. So she got us the hanging shelves. Thank you so much. Let me take a picture and send it to him. I'm tired. It's the hanging thing on the door. which is really sweet. So let me, before I take it out, let me take a picture. Oh Lord, y'all. So basically, he's gonna hang on the back of the door, and I'm gonna put his medicine and his soaps in there. Oh girl, this is the whole situation. Oh, that's so sweet of them. Oh yeah, this okay, baby. Do you see? So it's like different compartments, and I can put all his medicines and his stuff in it. So let's go set this up real quick. Let's go set it up.
I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better, know you grew better than you do. Call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekends. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. I'm just got love, love, love. Long as we got, never gave you my number. I did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. You got some fetish. You got some problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches. Don't know these features. Think skirt on beaches. Do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my ladies. Dated a few.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me here.
Hey y'all, I was back. Let's update to you. So last night I told y'all I was having contractions. Girl, my contractions are real. I've been having them for it started off at like every 30 minutes. But I think we're moving down to like 20 every 20 to 10 minutes. So I'm about to lay down, go to sleep. But I called the hotline for my doctor, and they told me when I'm having contractions I took notes, hold on. He told me when I have contractions every 4 minutes, and they're 1 minute long, 4 minutes apart, 1 minute long, then I can come into the hospital. So I'm gonna try to get my rest tonight because I think my son gonna come tomorrow. So I'm about to edit some vlogs, take my butt to bed, and that's it. I went to Walmart. That's how you see me eating ice cream, because that's how I'm gonna treat myself before they starve me to death. But let me show y'all his thing. Let me see, because last time I was all over the place. So up here, I put that set with the brushes and stuff. And then in here is kind of his medicine cabinet. So we got the vitamin D drops, Bright Water, and I think that's gas relief. And then in here I put that Mustela set that he's going to use. And this is the, you put water in that when he's in the bath. Then this is like for his ears and his nose. So this is the Book Ease. I put the saline drops in here. And then I did his ear swabs. This is his nail file and like any extra stuff that came in it. And then at the bottom that goes to the tub. And then also, y'all, I am preparing because everybody be saying they water break in the bed. So I got me a little towel, got my iPad, and I'm gonna do that because just in case this water break, it's not gonna mess up my good white sheets, okay? But okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hopefully tomorrow, I pray, we'll be in the hospital. And I'm about to be a mother. A whole mother. And y'all gonna be there. So say your prayers tonight. That old girl will be in the hospital tomorrow. I do want to do laundry, but I can kind of do the laundry when I come back. Just in case. Because when I went to Walmart, he doesn't have any long sleeve onesies, the plain white ones. So I got him some because I heard it's supposed to snow up here. So if it does snow, he'll be prepared. I'm gonna make sure that I wash them so he can have some long sleeve. Ooh, and the way the contractions feel, it's like a period cramp, but it feels like somebody's taking their thumbs and like pushing your uterus, like pinching it, like pushing it back. So period cramps with the push. That's what it felt like. So I haven't felt like this before. The contractions, I felt it in my back, but this one is more like somebody like real strong is like pushing in your uterus like that. And you have period cramps, so it's like a cramp with a push in it, girl. But I'm not gonna buy into it because it's not hurting, and it's just annoying to me, but it's not hurting. So, cause girl, my cousin said once the water break, that's when the real contractions come. So right now we in the minor leagues, okay? We in the minor leagues. So, okay, y'all, I'm done rambling. Let me edit these videos. I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow.